Hi, yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin! Get your mat ready. Let's begin our yoga adventure. Sit comfortably, cross your legs, place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath. This is easy pose. Well done! Easy pose helps us feel calm and ready. Sit tall with your legs stretched out in front. Keep your back straight like a strong staff. Great job! You sat tall and strong in staff pose. Kneel down. Bring your forehead to the mat and stretch your arms forward. This is child's pose. Wonderful! Child's pose helps us rest and relax. On hands and knees, round your back like a cat. Now lift your chest like a cow. Let's move gently. Awesome! Cat-cow warms up the spine and makes us feel flexible. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Be strong like a mountain. Well done! You stood tall and steady like a mountain. Bend your knees and stretch your arms up, like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Great work! Chair pose makes our legs strong. Step one foot back, bend your front knee, and raise your arms up. You are a brave warrior. Fantastic! Warrior Eye gives you strength and courage. Open your arms wide, one forward and one back. Bend your front knee. Strong like a warrior. Awesome! Warrior 2 makes us focused and powerful. Stand on one leg, place your foot on the other leg, and bring your hands together like a tree. Well done! You balance like a tall tree. Step your feet apart, reach one arm down and the other up. Stretch to the side like a triangle. Excellent! Triangle pose makes our body open and strong. Bend your front knee, place your hand near your foot, and stretch your other arm overhead. Great job! This pose gives you a big side stretch. Stand tall, then bend forward and let your arms hang down toward your toes. Wonderful! Forward fold helps us stretch and relax. Lie flat on your back. Arms by your sides, eyes closed. Be still like a sleeping star. Excellent! Corpse pose helps us rest fully and end our yoga practice. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today! Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye!